Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format numbers in Google Sheets step by step. Formatting numbers helps make your spreadsheet easier to read and more professional. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to edit. Next, select the cells that contain the numbers you want to format. Now go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, hover over Number. Here, you'll see different formatting options available in Google Sheets. You can choose formats such as number, currency, percent, scientific, accounting, date, time, or plain text. For example, if you want to display prices, select currency. If you want to show percentages, choose percent. Google Sheets will instantly apply the selected format to your chosen cells. You can also customize decimal places using the increase or decrease decimal buttons in the toolbar. If you need more advanced formatting, click on Custom Number Format at the bottom of the number menu. Here, you can create your own number styles based on your needs. Once finished, your spreadsheet will display numbers in a cleaner and more organized format. And that's it. You've successfully formatted numbers in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.